Don't kill the vibes. Five mistakes that makes your audience lose interest. Hi everyone, you're welcome back to Voices and Views with Olajumoke Asha. And for my returning subscribers, you know I will always say thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone. And for my new subscribers, this is where you ought to be. No other place than Voices and Views with Olajumoke Hasha. On this channel, we talk about anything interesting, anything educative, anything vibes on vibes. You're going to learn more from this channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't kill that vibes. Five mistakes that lose audience interest fast. Okay, let's be real. We all want our audience to be glued to every other words that we say. But if you are the reason why they are zoning out, or what if you are the reason why they are zoning out? Okay, today I'm going to be breaking down five things you might be doing that kills the vibes and how to fix them. Let's get into it. Number one, or mistake one, is rambling without a clear point. Once you have your audience's attention, don't lose it by moving in circles or by going in circles, by repeating your words without a clear point. How do you fix that? Be clear. Every of your sentences must have an ending or must lead somewhere. That's mistake one. Then mistake two is monotone delivery. If you should sound like this, or you say in a flat voice, trust me, they are gone. You lost them. But how can you fix that? Use a vocal variety. Be vocal. Let your voice have an effect on your message. Let it reflect in your message. Anything you're delivering must go in accordance to your tone. That's number two mistake. Then number three mistake is no energy. When you're having low energy or your energy fuels the room, the kind of energy you bring to the auditorium or to your audience says a lot. It says a lot. If you show that you don't care, then why should your audiences care? Why should they care? So that is it. Your message or your energy should go along with your message. That's mistake number three. Mistake number four is weak transition, jumping from one point to another with no clear connection. That's confusing. How can you fix that? Use a linking phrase like, now that we have discovered that, or now that we have covered that, then we can continue from here. That's a linking phrase you can use in your transitions. Then the fifth mistake, but not the least, last but not the least, is overloading with information. Trying to say too much too fast. It can be overwhelming, right? When you're trying to load your audience with too much information at a time, it can be overwhelming on your audience. And how can you fix that? Keep it simple. Less is more when your point is clear. Less is more when your point is clear. People can get what you're trying to say. So those are the five mistakes that you make that makes you lose your audiences so fast. Now today, I just want to ask you, which of these have you made before? Which of these mistakes have you made before? Head on to the comments and let us know about it. But meanwhile, until next time, do have a nice day and don't forget to keep the notification bell on before my next video so that you can always get it first. You can always get it first. Thank you. Bye.